Okay, so the big picture for this lesson is solving equations by addition and subtraction. Now, before I talk about that, I want to talk about the circle of math. So the idea there is if some unknown value x is equal to some number, say 3, if I do x plus 3, I can do 3 plus 3, and the equation is still true. So x plus 3 equals 6 is the same as x equals 3. So I can add 3 to get this, add 3 to both sides of the equation, or I can subtract 3 to get this equation. So if you add the same number to both sides or subtract the same number from both sides, that will take you from one equation to the other, and that's why it's called the circle of math. Okay, so we're going to solve by adding and subtracting. So an equation that does that, let's do x minus 8 equals 5. Okay, now we want to get x by itself. We have this minus 8 here, so since we're subtracting 8 to get the 5, we're going to add 8 to both sides to get the x. So the x comes down here. Negative 8 plus 8 makes 0. So you could write plus 0, or you could just leave that blank either way, equals 5 plus 8, which is 13. So x equals 13. So let's try that back in here. Is 13 minus 8 equal to 5? If it is, we know the equation is true, and we have the correct process and solution. If it's not true, we know there's something wrong. Well, 13 minus 8 is 5, so this checks out, and we know we have a correct solution. Let's do another one. How about 5 plus x equals 9? Well, in this case, 5 plus x is 9. That's how we get the 9, but we want to get the x. So how do we do that? Subtract 5 from both sides to show what x is. So 5 minus 5 makes 0. So I'm just going to leave that part gone. And then bring down the plus x equals the 9 minus 5, which is 4. So that means that 4 should make this equation true. So if 5 plus 4 equals 9, we know we have a correct solution and process. Well, 5 plus 4 does equal 9, so we're good to go here. So our solution was x equals 4. Our solution, this one, x equals 13. So that's the big picture for this lesson.